Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at my latest purchase. This purchase was actually from a website called dreampairs.com. It is a shoe website and they have all kinds of different shoes on there. I was looking for some cheap or inexpensive running shoes and these are the ones I went with. The brand of these is ALLSWIFT. I've never bought from this company before, so thought maybe I'd do an unboxing in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying from the site and wanted to get an idea of what do they look like when they come in, what's quality, etc. So packaging and everything looks good. And the shoes look great. The one complaint I had about the site is that I wear a 11.5 shoe and they didn't seem to have a whole lot of 11.5 sizes. But luckily, the one that I was interested in, they had. Now, I've never worn this brand of shoes. I play tennis and I tend to run through shoes really quick. I've got some court shoes, but I tend to buy just cheaper tennis shoes. And I like the look of these. Thought I'd give them a try. I should mention this company doesn't just have tennis shoes, they have boots, they have women's shoes, they have heels, they have sneakers, all kinds of stuff. Anyway, that's a look at the ALLSWIFT tennis shoes from dreampairs.com. I hope the video helped.